time when we last left our hero, he was fighting with the evil batteries to gain supremacy over the weather computer. Who has won this battle, sir?
Your hero has won, has prevailed.
Thank goodness.
However, I need to give a shout out to Aaron Myler because he just sprinted up 2 flights of stairs, grabbed this clicker, and then sprinted back down. And didn't even kind of miss a beat. He wasn't out of breath or anything.
But why did that have to happen? You've been up there for half an hour.
I forgot to bring it down.
Okay, well, I mean, I'm just saying.
And then I'm getting older, and I would have been completely out of breath.
Right.
And I wouldn't have been able to do this and speak and all that. So
Yeah.
Aaron took one for the team.
Not all heroes wear capes.
Yeah.
There it is.
There it is. There it is. All righty, let's do a little weather because the pattern has been so sweet. We've had another 70-degree day in Portland yesterday. That was 3 in a row, and that hadn't happened since last September, back when it was summer, in fact, the 12th, 13th, and 14th. Bangor was a little cooler yesterday afternoon, 65, but I do expect the warm numbers that we had over the weekend to return later this week, which will be real nice. At the moment, though, it is chilly outside. A lot of inland communities especially are seeing some frost. Gray, Sanford, Parsonsfield, Freiburg, Rumford, all at or below the freezing mark right now. In eastern Maine, similar here. Herman, Wesley, Dover Foxcroft, Holton, Presque Isles close, Frenchville's 32. Ooh, Escort Station, 23 degrees early this morning. This morning and tomorrow morning, good chances for frost. If you have hangers that you bought or if you have potted plants, you can easily bring those in or put them in the garage, put them in a shed, something like that. If you did some planting over the weekend, you might want to cover them up with a sheet, or you can even slice off the bottom of a 2-liter bottle of soda and then pop that on top of it. And it's almost like this mini greenhouse for it, and that'll protect it too. All right, high pressure's in charge right now. That's nosing in and should give us a mostly sunny day. But what the satellite doesn't see is wildfire smoke, and I just told you about this about 5 minutes ago. There's some fires in Western Canada, and that smoke's getting driven our way by the jet stream right over us. And at times today, and maybe in the upcoming few days, the sky might look mostly cloudy, even though it's completely clear. It's got the smoke up there, which gives a milky appearance to the sky, very hazy appearance to the sky. That's what we have right now. The cool thing is, at sunrise and sunset, it gets extra colorful, especially with the oranges and the reds. So get your cameras ready. You missed the sunrise, but you got a chance at the sunset this evening. Hazy sun for the middle of the day, seasonable, which would be fine around 60 degrees, but coming off 3 days of 70 or higher, it's going to feel a little chilly out there. We'll also catch a little sea breeze this afternoon as well. So we'll hold numbers in the upper 50s for the most part along the coast. Inland, it's lower 60s, mountains and north back to the 50s again. Tomorrow, after that cold start, we get up close to 70, 70s on Thursday and Friday, but Friday afternoon and evening, that front comes through. It will have some scattered showers, couple of rumbles of thunder on it. We should clear out nicely for the upcoming weekend, which is Mother's Day weekend, and that is good news all around. Marine forecast sees 1 to 2 feet, north winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southerly. Hazy sunshine today, cooler than recent ones too, with a high near 60. Tomorrow, 65 to 70, mostly sunny, although we'll keep an eye on that wildfire smoke, which could impact the sky cover. Late in the week, it's much, much warmer. 70s return for Thursday and Friday. Again, some showers and storms are possible for Friday evening, which isn't great timing. You know, a lot of people have plans on a Friday evening outside, especially with weather like that. And then over the weekend, looks better. Sun and clouds on Saturday, mostly sunny for Mother's Day with temps in the mid-60s.
We will take that. Looking forward to this
it's all in
week.
all really good. Yeah. Really good. Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Thank you, Todd.
Sure.